Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making a video on how you can kill the destroyer easily, because when I used to play, I took ages trying to kill that destroyer first try, and that was my first mechanical boss. I don't recommend going for the twins or skeleton prime because I find them way too hard compared to the destroyer. So you're gonna wanna go on your player. I am doing it in journey because it is easier for my lungs to concentrationize. So I will see you in a second. So you've summoned in the destroyer and you've got your weapon, which in my case is copper short sword, and you're really trying to get a few hits off, but turns out you can't really get much damage. Look at my health. Yeah, I'm really dying here. And I'm putting my full gear that you'd have, and you die soon. Yep, you're dead, and then you drop all your money, and you're like, "Why, destroyer? Why? I wanted my money. Why did you put a gravestone down? Now I have to go destroy the gravestone as well, you bully." So now you're a bit mad, and you've got a better sword because you're in journey mode. You're really mad, and you're like, I want to kill the destroyer. So I'll show you what to do up next. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is find your way to the corruption or crimson, and also the hallow. But first, we're gonna go for the corruption or crimson because it's nearer to me. So you go in there, you're just chilling. See the background change, and you're like, "Oh hi!" So you wait for some monsters to spawn, or in my case, turn that up. Okay, so you're in the desert of the corruption, found that, and then there's some of these guys, dark mummies. Get rid of the other ones, who cares about them? But you find the dark mummies, and you're like, what is this about? So you kill the dark mummies until you kill more. You just kill loads. Sorry about the inconvenience. I'm just getting a bit unlucky with my drop rates. Yeah, it's not that rare. But what you're gonna wanna grab is this bad boy. You wanna grab a dark shard. So you've got your dark shard. So you have your dark shards, so just got duplicated. And it's gonna have a few more enemies, so just try not to die, please. Yeah, just kill them. There you go. Okay, so you killed a couple of enemies. You've got a little bit of loot, and then you're just gonna want to get rid of all the enemies, like so. There you go. Just get rid of any more enemies, and then what we want to get is a lot of dark shards. Wow! Somehow I got 99. How could that be? Okay, so now you're gonna wanna find your hallowed biome. Okay, I'm gonna speak normally now, because this way of speaking is not very good for my voice. Okay, so you want to go to the hallowed and go all the way, which I have no idea where the hallowed is in this world, but that's fine. I'm just gonna try and find it real quick. Come on. Okay, that's a bit annoying. So you want to get your Rico potion. If you've gone the wrong way and there's no hallow, get your Rico potion, and then oops, I didn't mean to press caps. You're gonna want to go this way, the other way that you just went, and then you should eventually find the hallow, and luckily it's a desert as well. How lucky? No, honestly, that's really lucky. I don't know how that happened. Honestly, I have no idea how that happened. Okay, I'm not even lying as well. Okay, so there's a few light mummies you found. You're gonna kill them until they drop a light shard. That's quick. Just don't die from all the unicorns. Just run. Just run. Run for your life. Oh no, now there's vultures. Okay, just go. Just quick. go. Okay, turn this off. Turn this off. Okay, now that the enemies are gone, you're good to go. What you want to do is you're going to want to grab 7 souls of light and 7 souls of night from the underground corruption and the underground hallow, and you're going to want to find a mithril or orichalcum anvil, whichever one will do. And you're going to want to go on your crafting, and you're going to want to use 1 dark shard, 1 light shard, 7 souls of light, 7 souls of night, to get a Dao of Pow. It's 100 damage, which is good for people who are trying to kill Destroyer. So it's basically like a cool mace, and it just does stuff basically. But I'm going to show you some footage of me absolutely destroying the Destroyer with this Dao of Pow. Okay, 1 sec. Okay, before you summon him, I'm just going to give you a warning. It's still hard. It's just a lot less hard. So you're going to want to summon him in. What you're going to want to do is keep dodging him, right? Keep dodging him in your arena that you'll probably have. And just basically hold this down. As long as you're not like in him like I am, you just hold it down. And you can even just throw it and get loads of damage like that too. And the probes, when you kill them, they drop parts. So you can literally just completely annihilate him. This is revenge, Mr. Destroyer. You destroyed me, now I'm destroying you. Look at that damage though. It's a lot of damage. Just finish him off real quick. Just keep finishing him off. Remember to use like adamantite or titanium armor. Preferred titanium because it's a bit better. So you just want to finish him off. You can also use like if you want, it's just not exactly as good. You can use an adamantite spear thingy. It's just not exactly as good. So as you can see, it's quite a quick kill. About as quick as using solar eruption or something. And there you go. You've got your first stuff, which you should then craft a mega shark, which then you can basically kill every other hallowed boss easily. Hopefully that helped you. See you in the next video. Please subscribe and like. Please. Bye, I guess. Bye. Sorry, I missed out on a bit of the video, so I'm just recording this last little bit. So I'm gonna show you how you want the arena set up. So I'm gonna quickly just go on this main world that I have. I'm gonna just get out of this little hole. So this is the kind of arena you want to have. You don't need any of this kind of stuff. You just want to like have campfires. You want a nurse room at the side that you can easily access. Then you can easily heal, and you're gonna want some heart lanterns, and you're just gonna, you can put a flamingo in the middle if you want, and you can get high DPS on these guys. But yeah, basically this is the arena you're gonna want. Really quick, just wanted to tell you. I haven't been in this world for a while. It's quite impressive for my standards nowadays. So I hope you enjoyed the video really this time. Don't forget to subscribe and like, please, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye.